Yes, dear. Let's see the ninth question. The area of a sector of a circle of 6 centimeter radius, that means 6 centimeter radius, is 15 pi. What is 15 pi? The area of a sector is 15 pi. So we will pick up and write it firstly. Area of sector is equals to 15 pi square centimeter, right? And the radius is 6 centimeter. Radius is 6 centimeter. Find the measure of the arc. See my dear, whenever it is asked for measure, that means degree. Degree में पूछ रहे. Degree मतलब this is a theta here. Find the measure of the arc. Length of, see, you should know the difference here. The sector is given like this. The sector is, area of a sector is how much they have given. This is 15 pi दिया है. Okay. And they ask find the measure of the arc. Measure of the arc means, see, this theta is how much. Okay, that the same central angle is equal to the measure of the arc, we say. So that is, you, if you don't want to confuse, that is nothing but the central angle. Degree क्या है, theta क्या है. And the length of the arc corresponding to the sector. And the length of the arc ये भी पूछा है. This is the length of the arc. Okay, how much is the length? So they ask theta also and the length of the arc. First we will find the theta because we have the area of a sector. What is the area of a sector formula? Area of a sector equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. And what is area of a sector given? 15 pi. So we will write it 15 pi equal to theta. We don't know. We need to find it into pi. R is given as a 6 into 6. Okay, what we will do, we will keep a theta here because theta is to be found. So we will keep a theta here. Rest all take it to the left hand side. 15 pi already there. Okay, upon ये 15 pi already है और ये theta है. ये और ये सबको उस तरफ लेके जाना है. Pi is in multiply form. It comes in divide form. This is all in multiply form. So they will all come in divide. And 360 in divide form, it will come in the multiply form. इतना याद रखना, नीचे जो था इधर आकर ऊपर हो जाएगा, ऊपर जो था वो सब नीचे आ रहा है. नाउ कैंसल 15 15 6 6 जार 36 और ये 0 इधर गया एंड 6 10 जार 60. So how much you got here? 150 degree. That is theta is what? Theta means nothing but the measure of the arc. So we will write it. The measure of the arc is 150 degree. Is the sum completed? No. They asked what is the length of the arc. Do you remember dear, when the area of a sector is given and radius is given and asked to length of the arc, we have a short formula, small formula, that is what? Area of a sector equals to R upon 2 into length of arc. Remember this formula? See, immediately you should remember this one. Then only it will save our time. Then R is how much given? R is 6 given already, radius 6 upon 2 into. So area of a sector is already given here 15 pi. So we will write it 15 pi in its place. So 15 pi. Here we are not knowing length of arc. So I am writing as it is. Now we can take it all to the other side. 15 pi is already there. This 2 comes here and 6 here. Right? 2 3s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. So we got 5 pi equals to length of the arc. See my dear, if you want, you can substitute the values here. Generally, we won't end the answers in the pi here. You can put it a 5 into 22 upon 7 or a 5 into 3.14 and write it. That is better for in the exams also. Maybe the answers given in the textbook at the back side is 5 pi. That's right. But still, I'll always tell you in the exam, please complete it by 5 into 3.14. and in centimeter and finish off. Don't put it in the pi here. Fine. Students, now let's go to the topic problem set 7 of mensuration. Here we have done till 9th sum. Let's see the 10th question here. In this, the figure is mentioned here and AB is a chord. Can you see AB is a chord and PA is 8 centimeter and we will consider let this be a 90 degree. That is perpendicular to AB and PM is 4 centimeter. So find the shaded portion. As soon as you see this shaded portion, remember what do we say this part as a? Yes. What do we learn? This chord AB and this arc. Is there? The region which is enclosed by the chord and the arc is said to be an segment. So this means we have to find the shaded portion is nothing but the segment. What is the area of a segment? Area of a segment equals to area of a sector, the whole sector minus area of a triangle. So we need to find the area of a sector. Firstly, for the area of a sector, formula is what? Theta upon 360 into pi r square. But do we have a theta? Did the central angle is given here? No. So we need to find the angle for this one. What is the measure? So that we can proceed with the area of a sector. So for that, what we are going to do? I have seen this is 4 and this is 8. This is double time. 4 double is 8 here. Yes. So what I'm going to do, where we have a such condition, see cos theta, this cos theta I'll consider equals to, what is the formula? Adjacent upon hypo, right? Adjacent. What is the adjacent here? 4 upon hypotenuse. That is what? So cos which value, which 30 degree or a 45 degree or a 60 or a 90 will have a half value. I repeat, cos which degree will have half, that is 60 degree. So we have found out that the theta is nothing but a what dear? 60 degree we got it. That is APM is 60 degree. We got it as APM is 60 degree. But do we need to have only half? No, we want this part also. We want it together part. So similarly, we can write it similarly. Okay. APM is 60 degrees. Similarly, I can write it for the other side. What side? BPM is also 60 degree. Because see how it comes 60 degree. This is 4. Again this 8. This is a radii or congruent. This will also be 8. Then the same rule applies here. The same rule which we have done 60 degree. So this will also be 60 degree. So MPB is also 60 degree. Okay, now what will be APB? This is also 60, this is also 60. 60 plus 60, how much? 120 degree. So we will write it angle APB equals to 60 plus 60 equals to 120 degree. So we got APB as a 120 degree. So now can we proceed with the area of a sector here? So now we got APB as a 120 degree. So can we find the area of this sector here? That is, we will, if you want to name it here, X here. So how we will put it? P dash AXB. Okay, area of a sector. So we will write the formula. Area of sector P dash AXB is equal to, what is the formula? Theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. So can you solve this one? This further part? Yes, you can solve this part. Then once you solve it, you will get the area of a sector. Now what we have to do? We have to find the area of a, because what is the formula? Area of a sector minus area of a triangle. Then we will get it. How can we do the area of a triangle here? We have learned about the formula half r square sine theta. But here theta is, what do you know my dear? We have learned the formula half r square sine theta. But sine theta, here it is 120 degree. The formula which we have learned, that is for an acute angle. That means it should not be more than 90 degree. Okay dear. Till 90 degree you can have it. If it is 120 degree, then we cannot apply this formula. So what we are doing it here, we are going to do it in the form of, this is a right angled triangle, not here. If you see, this triangle is a right angled triangle. So we will apply the formula of a right angled triangle, that is half into the product of the sides forming a right angle here. Okay, in that way you can do it, or you can do it, sorry, not that one. You have to take it half into base into height. So we already have a height here. Is it or not? We have a height here. What is this? 4 centimeter. But can we apply a base? Base, can we find it? Yes. How we are going to find it? This is a right angled triangle. So already this 8 is given. See, look at this triangle. I am talking about triangle APM. in triangle APM. Okay, here in triangle APM, which is the hypotenuse? AP square is the hypotenuse. We are writing hypotenuse square equal to one side square plus other side square, right? So here hypotenuse square is 8 given. So 8 square, one side we are not knowing it, we will keep it as x square plus other side, that is 4 given, so 4 square. So 8 square is how much? 64, x square plus 16. So when we subtract x square equal to 64 minus 16 here, right? 8 and 48. So we get what? X square equals to 48. So taking a square root both the sides. Okay, so what you will get it? That is x equal to 16 3s are 48. Now it is x square. So x equal to 4 root 3. So you got 4 root 3. Which part you got as a 4 root 3? This much. This much is 4 root 3, right? This much is 4 root 3. So how this is a what? Perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle bisects the chord, we say. That means this is 4 root 3 means what will be this one also 4 root 3. So AB is what? Here we can write it that AB is 4 root 3 plus 4 root 3. That is we got 8 root 3. So AB is 8 root 3 and this is the height is 4. Base is 8 root 3. So we can apply the formula what? Area of a triangle APB equals to half into base into height. So half, base is what is the base? AB, height is PM. Okay, so AB we got 8 root 3 and PM is already given as a 4 here in the question. Then you can cancel 2 4s are 8. So you got 16 root 3 and the value of root 3 is given in the textbook as a 1.73. So 16 into 1.73. You can multiply. Okay, you will multiply this one and you will find the area of a sector also using the formula, that is 120 upon 360 degree into 22 upon 7. R is what, my dear? Radius is 8 given, to 8 into 8. Okay, if you want here you can use a 3.14 also. And once you get this answer and the other part this answer, subtract it, you will get the area of a segment.